Right, so tonight we've just come back from the Marina Bar out, and we're in the habanero section up at the top where all the food court is. So we thought, because we've like eaten a bit in the Marina Bar, not really sure what we want to do to eat, so we thought we'd come over and we're going to try the Lizarran. So we'd come for some tapas in the Lizarran, wherever it may be. A couple of beers obviously, so we're a few sheets in. Smile, Sarah. Yeah, she's taking the mickey out of me as well when she's like that. So yeah, so we're going to try some tapas. We've ordered some of the hot tapas, and then we've ordered, we've not ordered yet some of the cold tapas, which is over there. So. Right, so for some random reason, Sarah's glass has just exploded and gone all over the table. Everywhere, literally wine everywhere, so it's, yeah, it's all very random. So, yeah, so we were saying basically that we've ordered some hot tapas, and then we'll try some of the cold stuff, which is over on there, which is where you just grab it. So the way it works is you literally you take what you want and you eat what you want, grab a plate and eat it. And then you leave the little, the like toothpicks they call them, but they're like little cocktail sticks. So you just leave them on your plate, you take that up and it all gets added up at the end, and then you work out what you get from there. So we'll have a look and we'll show you some of the tapas that's hot that we've ordered, and then we'll show you some of the tapas that is on the cold section that you get. Right, so we've ordered some of the very much standard potato bravas.
Thank you.
And some of the croquetas. Now they're mixed croquetas, so apparently there's mushroom, ham and meat croquetas, so 2 of each we've ordered. The bravas comes with obviously standard bravata sauce, and then also comes with aioli as well. We've ordered some chicken to go with it and some crispy pork with aioli as well, so we're just waiting on that turning up. So and then we're going to have a look at see what's on the cold section as well. Right, so these are the croquetas, if you can see inside. That's one of the ham ones, although we might be having a bit of debate about that. It might not be ham there apparently, but it looks like ham to me. Definitely ham. It's actually pretty good, to be fair. So that is the pork. Now we've actually had this, and there's a special name for it. Brits living in Spain will tell you what it is. Something like torrens or something like that. So it's like a crispy belly pork with a spicy coating on it, which is absolutely amazing. We've had this before, and it's back in 100 Monteditos when we was in Alicante. We had it there as well, and it is really nice. And obviously it comes with like fried mini peppers as well. So I suppose they're padron peppers that are being cooked as well. So we just tried the mixed meat one. I can't show you because I've already eaten it, but the mixed meat croqueta is absolutely amazing. I'm not entirely sure what the meat is. I'm assuming it's beef or something like that, but it almost tastes a bit like corned beef at the same time. So we're going to try some of the crispy pork now as well. Okay. The pork is amazing. It's also about as hot, because it's just come out the fryer, as the surface of the moon, so it's burning my mouth at the same time. But it is absolutely gorgeous, really, really nice, and really, really crispy as well. So if you like that kind of belly pork, crispy, fatty type thing, absolutely amazing. Right, so that's the last one that we've ordered, and that's basically like crispy chicken strips, chicken tenders, that kind of thing. Probably get that in many places out here, but again, it looks really nice. It's obviously all very freshly cooked because it's done to order, so the stuff that's not done to order is up and on the bar, so all the refrigerate bits up on the bar, that's where you pick it up and you take it off, and then you get like I think they call them pinchers, which is like the mini skewers, and all you do is you just take your plate back up with the sticks that you've left, and then they calculate what the cost of those is when you get to the till and pay the bill. Right, so this is all the cold type stuff that they've got. So, and then they've got some sweet stuff up on the top there as well. So basically you just take what you want and then you leave the little toothpicks on top of the plate, and then take the plate back up there with you, and that's how they work out what you've got to do to pay for it. So I'll show you the other side because there's some more here as well. I'm assuming that's like a potato-y type salad, and bayo buns, and then little sandwiches. It all looks really good, and it's all like really, really freshly cooked and whatnot as well, so you always get a little bit concerned sometimes. Because you wonder how long it's all been left laying around, but this is like really quick turnover stuff, so. So we had the 4 dishes, the like hot cooked dishes, so you have to order the hot stuff fresh. The cold stuff obviously you just go up and help yourself to by the looks of things. They also come over and take your drinks order, so I had a large beer, Sarah had a glass of wine as well. So in a minute, once we're done, we'll go up and we'll pay the bill and see what it's like. And we'll go from there really. I mean, to be fair, the food's really good. It's probably not the most authentic Spanish food because at the end of the day, it is just a like fast foody chain type of tapas. So you'll probably find, if you go to a proper tapas bar, the food will be a little better, a lot more authentic, a lot fresher, that kind of thing. But for what it is, you know, let's be honest, it's like a fast food and franchising type place. So, but it was very good. The food was really nice. A personal favourite was the pork, which is, I think it's called torrevieja or something like that. If you see it below, or please comment below, should I say, and tell me if I've got that right or I've got it wrong. So just, you know, in the comments, just let me know what it's called. Brits living in Spain, you'll be all over it because you've actually sent me videos, so I should know, or photos of what it's actually called, so I should know what it's called. I just can't remember at the moment. So, okay, we'll show you the bill in a minute once we go up and pay the bill. So this is the menu. This is obviously the hot stuff that you want. It's all in Spanish, but they do, if you go up to the bar, they do also give you the menu in English for us people that can't quite cope, so they are pretty good here. And the people in there speak much, much better English than I do Spanish, so I'll show you some of the bits there. So, right, so they do also, that's some freshly cooked stuff. That's right, I'll come and show you it. The ladies can be really kind. So that's all the sort of freshly cooked stuff, so it looks really nice. Okay, cool, lovely. Okay, so the bill is in, and that includes, on top of that, we've got a couple of drinks, so the beer, the wine, and Sprite, and then the food as well, and it comes in at a total of €46, so not exactly the cheapest of food, but it was actually very nice. So, right, so that was it. Now, the food was good. Comfort food, it was actually very nice. Like I say, it's not the most probably authentic Spanish tapas you're going to come across because it is just a fast food chain, like I say. But yeah, it's definitely not the cheapest. I mean, €46 for what we had, including the beer, one beer and one glass of rosé and a can of Sprite to go with it as well. It's quite toppy on the price, but given we'd had a sort of lunchtime, fairly large lunchtime meal, we didn't want too much to eat, so it just kind of fitted the spot. I'd definitely do it again. The food was really good, to be fair. The flavour and the taste of it was amazing. So yeah, I'd give it a go again. So that's the Lizarran, which is top of the Habaneras. I'll drop a pin to show you where the Habaneras is if you don't know where it is. Yeah, so it was all good.